learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lim Lim Zap Siu here with Alice in this very hot month of July, teaching you how to say it's so hot, 好热哦。很热哦 OK 这个7月份除了这个要防晒做多一点嘛因为紫外线会破坏我们皮肤嘛，
还要多喝水，
要多补充营养跟水分 OK, let's teach you a scenario here where you feel like you're getting a heat stroke and you want to do something about it, OK? So let's start off with saying 好热哦，快中暑了 It's so hot, I feel like a heat stroke coming on
很热哦，
很热哦
強強要搏啥咧？
強敢若要熊熊咧吼，熊要安怎？
搏啥咧？
搏啥咧？
就是中暑。
OK, 搏啥咧 That means a heat stroke. 熊就是
强快要了啦。
熊敢若要中暑了，
对
不对 ？OK, that means I'm almost having a heat stroke. OK, 再一次怎么说？
強要搏啥咧？
熊要搏啥咧？
那中暑的海陆腔，搏啥？
搏啥？哦，更有杀气了，要小心一点。That's a different dialect for a heat stroke. All right, 这个解暑有很多方式啦，但是吃一些多汁的水果也不错哈。
对，像是红红的西瓜。
Oh, that's a good choice. Watermelon is tasty, delicious, sweet, and juicy at the season. 而且又可以解暑。
冰凉的。
冰的，对，要从冰箱拿出来的那种。
对。
Let's serve some watermelon, all right? 冰箱里有西瓜。There's some watermelon in the refrigerator.
冰箱肚有西瓜。
冰箱肚有西瓜。西瓜当然就是西瓜。That's watermelon. 冰箱怎么说？
冰熊
OK, 有一只熊躲在冰箱里。
哇，那就太可怕了。
冰熊 That's actually the refrigerator. 所以这么好哦，那一定要赶快切来吃了，对不对 ？Okay, let's go ahead, open up the refrigerator and slice up the watermelon and really enjoy it. Okay, 怎么说这么好？快去切来吃呢？
按后哦。
Of course, that means very good, excellent.
夹起切来吃。
夹起切来吃。All right, let's review some of these terms. 中暑也就是 heat stroke.
搏啥
and then the watermelon 西瓜 it's inside the refrigerator 冰箱冰熊 and 切来吃好了切来吃 it's all about the very heated month of July 好热哦很热哦好 that's it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
按字say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.